Hey everyone, welcome back to the train room. Artisan Pirate here, and in today's fun video we're going to be overviewing and looking back at another one of my older train sets. This is going to be my original HO scale train set. Once my family seen that I was capable of taking care of the bigger O scale Lionel trains, they decided to step down a size and get me an HO scale train set, and that train set is the Bachmann HO scale Cannonball Express set. It was the first HO scale train set I ever have, and I got it set out here, but really cool. It came with a beautiful Santa Fe diesel, nice chrome there with working headlight, and it has what I've been told online is an older style pancake motor, so it makes like a little clicking sound as it runs, but it still runs great and still can pull long freight trains, but really cool. It came with a Union Pacific car here that you can put stuff in, like little figurines or some scale coal. A Milwaukee Road refrigerator car, I believe this is, but it's a nice bright yellow. And it came with a coal car, and unfortunately the one I see in all the pictures, and I'll pull one up here for you guys to see, is green. But unfortunately, the only one I have is a golden colored one with the coal in it there. And I had the green one. I do remember it fondly. I just can't find it right now, so we're just going to use this golden one in its place. And then it came with a Santa Fe caboose here. But really cool. Everything's still in great condition. And then a bonus with the Cannonball Express set came this little HO scale hand car with 2 moving figurines. And what you would do with this set is you would want to put the train here and put the hand car out in front and have the train chase it. That was kind of like the adventure side of it. And this piece still works. Unfortunately, it has slowed down over time. I have took it apart and cleaned it and everything, but it just still goes very slow on the rails. We will see it working in this video, but I will not be putting it in front of the train because the train easily catches up to it at any speed. Even if I'd put this on the other side of the loop we have set up here, the train can catch up to it quickly. But really cool. Let me move the camera and we'll see the little hand car moving, and then we will get the train on the track and get rolling. Again, here's the little hand car. I'm going to put it back here on screen, and I'm going to give it some power with the included power pack. And there he went, but really cool. So happy it still works after all this time. But we will get the train on the track and proceed to get it rolling. I 3D printed this HO scale track railer to help you get the cars on it. The smaller the scale, the more tedious it is to get the cars and trains on it. But get the caboose on it. The Union Pacific car. It's amazing how they roll on there so smoothly. The coal car, and again, the original one was green. I just cannot locate it. The Milwaukee Road refrigerator car. Get it on. And I know some people are going to tell me about having the track this close to the edge of the table. This is not going to be the permanent layout. I am working on plans to make a bigger table to where I can have maybe 2 or 3 loops of HO scale track. This is all just temporary. Get the train on it. And again, you're going to hear it making that famous clicking sound that those pancake motors make. We will back it onto the train. It goes in both forward and reverse. And she is on her journey. Awesome. Still runs great after all those years and brings back a ton of memories sitting in my grandparents' living room floor with the track going around and around. But really, really cool. Let me move the camera one more time and we will close the video. And that is my original HO scale train set from years and years ago. I would go on record and say that that train set is going on or around 25 years old, if not actually 25 years old. I've had it forever and ever. A lot of the track you've seen the train traveling on today is from that original train set. I've just took care of it over the years. Again, that is the HO scale Bachmann Cannonball Express, and it's still running great. The train is actually very powerful. I've added additional cars to it to where it had a train of about 12 to 15 cars, and it still pulls them greatly. And it can go fast, it can go slow, it can go backwards. It has that illuminated headlight. So it's always a cool feature to see that stuff in miniature. I have a bunch more HO scale stuff to show you guys, and I'm so happy to have this train room to come into in the evenings now and relax. We're in the middle of summer, and it's a great way to just come into the AC and just sit and watch the train runs or work on them and maintain them on the little desk that I've just recently built here in the back corner. But really, really cool, and I'm looking forward to building the bigger layout. But until I get the funds and everything to do that, we will continue to just review stuff that I've had and picked up along the way. But really, really cool. Thank you guys for joining me. You can tell in this video I'm really getting a vibe for how these train room videos need to go, with some close-up shots of the trains and everything instead of just showing an overhead loop of everything. But that's about all for this one. If you're new here, please subscribe to the channel and also follow me over on Instagram at Artisan Pirate. Links to all my social media links as well as ways to contact me will always be linked down in the description box below the videos. That's about all for this one. And remember, if I can make it or do it, so can you. I'm the Artisan Pirate. Take care, and I'll see you guys real soon.